This is the beginning of my rocket. This is the brave army man who has been chosen and volunteered to go up into space on the rocket.
This.
Trying to return on this streamer of tape. Now, to fit inside his capsule, we'll need to cut him down to size. Therefore,
We're loading him in.
here is the completed rocket. Some say it will not fly, but it will. With its A engine and amazingly perfect fins with lots of tape on them, and specifically the nose cone, might burn up in the upper atmosphere of our Earth, for that is about how high it will fly. Tune in next time for the launch. Here is the rocket on the launch pad.
Dun, dun, dun.
It may not be very pretty, but it is and stuff. Okay, I have my honorary launcher, Will.
And his assistant.
Okay, the countdown.
Me.
Stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So scared. Where is it?
On the roof.
Oh, it had an army man in it.
Oh no, we must find it. It popped on top of the roof. Peter's now climbing out. Can't quite get it. Move further up.
Not here.
He doesn't know where it is. It's not good. I will now search from the window.
Holy shit, I've never been up here before.
I don't see anything. That's Peter. It fell down.
Give it to me. We're up on the roof. And there it is. We don't know if the army man's still alive. We'll go find out. Remission of rocket is underway. Move your hand.
The cone, there's the army man.
He has survived.
Yes, we should now take him out and...
The army man has decided that he doesn't want to come out yet. He wants to go up again. So we will be launching a rocket one more time.
We have found the cone. We will now be setting her up for the next launch.
The rocket is ready for its next flight, which will be launched very soon, and we have a new honorary launcher, Sam. For a few minor difficulties, we're going to be ready to launch again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, it's on the roof again.
This time it's on the bigger. Hard to get.
Gotta go around front. Journey takes us to the roof once again. And our journey has also been come to an end when we find the terrible truth of what really happened to the rocket. For it is on the high roof, and I have no way of getting there. Until it rolls off, we will not know if Army Man survived. The end.
Watch out for this.